Welcome guys, this is a quick video update and how to unlock any iPhone from the carrier using any of these unlock chips available on the market. In this case we're gonna be using the JSIM 6. We have used RSIM and GPP on the past, so as you guys can see we're gonna put the unlock chip along with a different SIM card. We're gonna hit edit ICC ID and we're going to input, we're going to type the ICC ID available today. So this is working for the iOS 15.1. As you guys can see, I'm going to show you during this video. This ICC ID updates every other day, so make sure if this ICC ID is not working for you today, you have to look for the new one. You press option 7 there and reset the phone. This is just a quick video update showing you that it is working, and actually this is a AT&T iPhone that we are going to make it work on T-Mobile network. So it's just happened recently that AT&T phones are able to be unlocked, because we were doing it on the T-Mobile ones or Sprint, but the AT&T was for some reason not working. I'm gonna show you through the video that change. It's official now that we can unlock, as we can do it right here. We're resetting the phone. We're just gonna wait for it to turn back on. We put the JSIM, I'm sorry, the JSIM 6 inside. As you guys can see, this one was made for the iOS 13, but thankfully it still works. So this is a very cheap unlock device, we could say, and it is working today. So as you guys can see, we just have to go through the menu. Obviously the phone has to be on Wi-Fi. If you want a more detailed video how to do this, you can go to my previous videos. Probably I'm gonna leave one link right here. As you guys can see, the phone opened successfully, and I'm gonna just go ahead and show you that the SIM lock on the settings have changed to no SIM restrictions. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped you. Have a good time. I'll see you back on the next video. Bye.